Before you buy your next house, before you renovate that apartment, before you start arguing with your contractor over why your ceiling is shaking like a generator, please listen and listen very carefully. There is one feature in modern buildings that you see every day. You admire it, you take pictures under it, sometimes you even knock it with your head by mistake, but you still have no idea what goes on above it. And trust me, if I show you what is happening above that ceiling, you will not sleep without lights this night. So today we're going to be exposing the secret behind those perfect Instagram fine ceilings in your houses and offices. So let's dive into the world of suspended ceilings, also known as fake ceilings, drop ceilings, or let's pretend everything is perfect ceiling. Let's break it down. A suspended ceiling is basically a second ceiling that is installed below the main building ceiling. You can let's use an example of a lady wearing a wig. Under the wig, your hair might be involved, it might be scattered, might even be confused. But once you put on that wig, boom, see nice beauty. That is exactly what suspended ceilings do for buildings. They hide all the nonsense that is happening above the pipes, the wires, the AC ducts, even the landlord's secrets. Now you might ask, why are those ceilings suspended? Why can't they just stay and behave normal like everybody else? Let me give you the gist. One, they hide ugly things. Your real ceiling might look like you just woke up from sleep. Pipes everywhere, AC dots forming like MTN network, electrical wires dangling like Christmas decoration. You see, all those things, your suspended ceilings hides all of them. Two, they improve acoustic. If your neighbor upstairs storms like an elephant, a good suspended ceiling can reduce the noise. Three, they help cooling efficiency. Because the ceiling height is reduced, your AC can really behave like champ, not like it's running away from EFCC. Four, they make maintenance easy. The ties are removable, so your electrician will just come, lift one like meat pie and fix things. Five, they look very fine. And let's be honest, Nigerians love aesthetics, and suspended ceiling will just give you that instant beauty upgrade. Now let's talk varieties, because suspended ceiling comes in different types, just like jollof rice. That one too comes in different levels. One, gypsum board ceiling. It is clean, it is smooth, it is elegant. You can design curves, design patterns, and lights like you're painting Mona Lisa. This is the show off of Nigerian homes. Two, mineral fiber panels. This one is usually for offices and commercial use. It absorbs sound. So if your gossip in the office is loud, this one can help you. Three, PVC ceiling. Waterproof, it is cute, it is affordable and perfect for kitchens and bedrooms where steam want to scatter everywhere. Four, metal ceiling. It is durable, fire resistance, it is strong. These ceilings are the bodyguard of ceiling board. Five, wooden suspended ceiling. It is warm, stylish, a bit expensive, and it gives or makes your home look like to have oil money, whether you actually do or not. Now, why are suspended ceilings the Beyonce of ceiling board? Let's count the ways. It makes the building look modern, right? It improves lighting design, reduce cooling costs, reduces noise, hide imperfection, allows creative interior design. In fact, you see suspended ceilings, they are the fake it till I make it charm in real estate. In Nigeria, we love fine things, but we must also talk about the disadvantages, because everything that has an advantage has a disadvantage. One is that it can reduce room height. If your room is already small, it's kind of may look like or feel like it's hugging you. Two, it requires good installation. If installed by one quick artisan, your ceiling may begin to sag. Three, some materials are not water friendly, like mineral tiles plus water leak. That is a disaster. Somebody might ask, where can I see suspended ceilings? If you don't know suspended ceilings are almost everywhere: homes, restaurants, office, hotels, hospitals, commercial buildings, and shopping malls. Basically, everywhere humans gather to form civilization. Now, if you want to buy a house in Nigeria, don't just see a fine ceiling and start dreaming of Instagram pictures. Look deeper. Check for cracks, sagging sections, water stain, poor electrical work, ventilation issues, and cheap materials. A beautiful suspended ceiling can be hiding a crime scene above it. So please, when you want to sign that agreement, check for these red flags I'm going to be mentioning. Ceiling panels looking like what I don't know, gaps between panels, signs of moisture, weak framework, suspicious noises. Yes, your ceiling talk, they do talk. Now the question is, how much will it damage your pocket? The prices actually varies depending on the material and design. For gypsum, you have like 5,000 to 10,000 per square meter. Mineral fiber is 4,000 to 8,000 per square meter. Then for your PVC is 3,000 to 7,000 per square meter. Metal is like 10,000 plus per square meter. Craftsmanship will add to the cost. So when you're choosing, to choose wisely. So that's the world of suspended ceiling. Beautiful outside, chaotic inside, but essential for modern real estate in Nigeria. Please, if you found this video helpful, please, I'm begging you, help to hit that subscribe button, like and share. Bye for now.